Hello there, crafters of the world. Today I would like to take you through another project which I made recently on how to make an anniversary card. For this card I used 3 Mirri cards, one at the front, as you can see their opening, one which is the background as you open the card, and another one which was cut and you don't see it much, it is hidden inside, and which was basically a simple silverish Mirri card which I embossed using an embossing folder and a die cutting machine. So as you can see, for this card I used several elements. The 4 flowers made out of a mulberry paper, which I covered in glitter, and I put pearls in the middle. Also the carton frames, which I cut myself, not using any die and die cutting machine. I cut it out of carton myself, and what I further did, I covered it in gesso, and then I started dropping glitter on it. This acrylic gesso is very good to have in the house because you can do so many things with it, and not only paint your surfaces but also if you want to add glitter and so many other things. Also, the same principle has been used in the middle, where you can see that heart which was cut in 2. And what I did for the heart, I decided to cover it in some thread. You saw it at the very beginning together with the other threads and haberdasheries I decided to use for this project. The leaves, the butterflies were made using a die and a die cutting machine. Then I applied glitter on the butterflies and the leaves. And underneath the butterflies there are other butterflies I put, as you can see, they're made simple of glitter pages, which I purchased from Poundland. Only for £1, so it is a very good value for money. What I also used were the feathers, as you could see there, and which I covered them in glitter. I also used the fabric, also I secured it at the edge with glitter. I also used 2 types of flowers, as you can see there, which again I covered them in glitter. And what you'll not see here, as I'll start gluing everything, is the 2 frames which I put inside, and on the left frame I'm going to put a picture of me and my partner, and on the right hand side that frame is going to contain a poem addressed to the person to whom the card is going to be addressed. Well, that's it really. So the next step was to start gluing everything, and it's as simple as that once you have got all the elements prepared in the house. You also see that white ribbon in the middle. There are 2 of them which I glued them, and I thought that it gave a more focal attraction in the center of the card, and I'm very happy with the final look. So as ever, I hope that all this information was of great help to you and it inspired you to do your own cards. Do not take anything for granted when people tell you, oh, it's very easy to make cards. It is easy when you have the right elements in the house. So you say, yeah, I want A, B, C, yes, I want to use this in my project, and you just stretch your hand and you start creating your flowers or your leaves or anything else. But up to that, you need to have the mulberry paper, or you need to have this kind of paper or the glitter. So once again, thank you very much for watching this, and have a very nice day. Bye!